Hello, it's Matt here from That Leisure Shop. Today we're having a quick look at the Roll Extra fold flat shopping trolley. Look at this is cool. It tells me on the packet that it will carry a capacity of 25 kilos. That's quite a hefty shop. It measures 38 by 33 by 36 centimeters. I'll show you in a minute. And when it's folded flat, it's just 8 centimeters deep. So let's get it out and have a look. Unclip the sides, open it out. The base folds down like so, and then in the base you'll see there are 2 yellow strips. They just pull out and pop on the sides. This gives it some rigidity. Can I say that? Like so. And now we've actually got a really strong box. Pull the little yellow lever there, lift the handle, and look at that, off it goes. It's got rubber wheels as well. Really cool. Folding it down, we are going to do this in one take. Take the side strips off, pop them back in the bottom, like so. Push the bottom back up, fold the sides in, clip shut. Look at that. Easy as that. Brilliant.